Hi guys, it's Coaster Credits here today, and I'm doing a little bit of a construction update on Kings Island's 2020 Giga. So I'm gonna try and get this right there. For all who's don't know, I'm just gonna use my hands. So right over, oops, sorry. Or hold on, right over there is rebar. Okay, there is, come on, camera focus. There is wood for the station. I'm gonna take a guess on. That's also, I'm gonna guess all the, I think that's just all the station parts right now. Now I'm gonna go up to the Eiffel Tower here in a minute and go get more shots for you guys. So we'll be right back. As you all can see, oops, sorry. All the way back there is by the piece as far, or the, so you have the drop and you have that turn to that hill, into the other hill, into that turn right there. For all you that know the layout, that turn represents how far that land clearing goes. Now, we don't know what that shed is for, but I'm guessing it's like the store parts from people up here. See how it's like placed? And they have station footers poured. One thing that's really interesting is that Firehawks trains are still on site. Now, there's been some speculation. There's been some speculation that it's going to come all the way back over here, which I doubt. Oh, and over there is also supposed to be dorms for employees for next year. And there's all that rebar. Hold on. There's all that rebar I was talking about back there.